This is Dave Manvillano Odds. It is January 27th, 2024. Okay, I want to talk about in this video the quick pick feature and how it's actually working with the colors and producing the purple and green colors, right? And I want to clarify something, and then I'm going to tell you how we're going to remedy this issue between the colors of Key Predict and here the hit and miss, the L1 and the M3C. Okay, the headers, right? The headers of Key Predict do refer to the hit and miss sections here. The hit, hit, miss, like that. These sections, yes. But the colors do not. So the purple and the green colors here do not refer to the purple and green colors here. And I'm going to explain to you why. Okay, so I had to go back and search the code because we have so many features I forgot. So I'm going to clarify it now for you guys and give you a solution. And there's an added benefit to this, which is pretty cool that we're working on right now for you guys. Okay, this is how this works. L1 default and M3C are two separate features, right? So they work with the three past winners and three past winners here as well. M3C works with the pair sums. It takes each and every pair sum, three past winners of each and every pair sum, and then is able to color code these. Okay? L1 default does not. L1 default works in sequence. Whatever winner comes up next, it utilizes that. Okay? So they work differently. That's why you see different colors here and different colors here. But now, Key Predict, what it did is it took both of these and it combined it, right? It combined it. So it took like six, right? Six numbers, okay? Combined it to make these keys, to create these keys, okay? So it took three numbers from M3C and three numbers from L1 default, which is six numbers, okay? And then it combined it. Key Predict combined it here. That's why you see here when it says hit, the first hit refers to L1 default. The second hit refers to M3C, okay? And it combined it, and then it created these keys, which are 100% correct, and they always come out, okay? And then what it did now, the keys themselves are the ones that are color coding the numbers. For example, look, 0, 1, 3. Look, 1 and 3. So it's purple because the first digit is a 1 and you have the 3, so you have the pair. So you have the hit and win. And as you know, the wins are the ones that color code it purple. So if you have a pair, a win means a pair. You see purple. If there's no pair, it gets green. But it's only dealing with these keys. The keys are color coding the number, okay? Because L1 and M3C are combined. So a lot of people have been asking me, wait, David, I was playing with the purple number, but it came out green. It came out green here when it was in the winter. Okay, and they were getting confused. And I had to go back and check the code because I forgot we have so many features. So now, here's the added benefit that we're going to do for you. First of all, to make this more clear for you guys, we're going to create a key column here, right? Keys column, it's colors. So you're going to see the actual colors of this Key Predict are going to be here in this column when they come out, when the winner comes out. So for example, if you see here all purple and you think a purple number should have won, it's actually in Key Predict is going to be green. So yes, in L1 default, it's a purple number. And M3C, it shows a purple number. But if you're looking at the Key Predict, it's a green number there. And this is absolutely awesome because now it's created an added benefit. What we're going to do now, think about this now, think about this. Often you're going to see this. You're going to see purple, 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 right? Now, if you isolate the purple colors, right, for L1 default or M3C, for example, if you think purple is going to come out in L1 default, you isolate purple. If you think it's going to come out in M3C, you isolate purple. It is absolutely awesome. You have two choices. You know, one of them is going to hit, right? Look at this run, all these purple. Now, If you think L1 default is going to be purple, watch this. This is going to be awesome. And you think that key is going to be purple, right? You isolate all the purple numbers for L1 default. Then you match the purple numbers with L1 default purple. And they're not going to be all purple. A lot of the L1 default numbers are going to be green, so you can eliminate them. You can remove them. Okay, you're going to have a few that are going to be purple. They're going to match up with L1 default. And the winner, when this comes out purple, the winner is going to be purple. The winner is going to be the purple number. If it comes out purple, purple like that, purple, purple, with key, the purple number, which is going to be very few numbers, is going to be the purple number from the key. This is going to be absolutely awesome. And look, we're going to simplify it for you. Look, we're coding it now. We're creating a key predict button here, okay, where you can just turn on and off. It combines it with here, the hit and miss, right? So like I said, if you want to have the hit and miss for one side or the other, meaning L1 default or M3C, you can pick either one. Either one you think that's going to come out purple or green or whatever. Then you could decide to turn off, go here with key predict, and you could turn off either the green or the purple. Okay? That's simple. And the program will do the work for you. The program will do the matching between hit and miss and key predict, and it'll show you the matching numbers to play for the next draw. Okay? So for example, if you chose L1 default, like I said earlier, if you chose purple there and you chose here, you turned off the green and left the purple, you'll have a few numbers here that are the purple, right? And if purple comes out with the purple here key, you will win. Okay, you will win. And in the future, we're going to think about converting these back to colors because we wanted to make this page very simple, which it is. Very simple like that. We may color code it. We don't know. We just don't want to make one page to be very simple. So we might leave it like this because it's very simple. And it works with the mobile app too like this. So we'll see how it goes. Now, second thing I want to address here is this. We are finished with the number set column. We're finished with the view. There's the 3 pages here. There's the pair sums that was originally there. Read binary. The binary is here with the colors. See binary colors like that. And then you have the number sets. You'll see number sets going from 1 all the way to 11, which is pretty cool. Helps you reduce numbers. And here you have a number set. Let's put here number set here. Filter. So you'll be able to reduce the numbers by the number set filter, and you'll see the numbers here, numbers here in the column. We're also adding M3C, so if you want to reduce that as well. Okay, let's see here. So for this, these are pretty much shortcuts. Shortcuts with the hit and miss. You know, on the left-hand side is M3C. Hold on. Hit and miss. The left-hand side is M3C. Excuse me, L1 default. The right-hand side is M3C. Correct. So, this is it. This is you have this now. It's called L1 hit and miss. You'll see it now on. We haven't updated, but so you have just this, right? Hit and miss. But we're going to give you this. Look, let me just show you. Look here. All right, this is what you have. We haven't updated this yet, but I just want to show you. Hold on, bear with me for a sec. Here, I'm just going to choose all, choose one, choose all. Okay, so what you have here is L1 hit miss, right? This is it's on the, it isolates just basically, just does it quick. It takes the left-hand side hit and removes all the numbers and just keeps those. That's it, very simple. And then we're going to add the M3C section where it does the same thing on this side. If you isolate hit or miss, it just isolates the 2 hits or isolates the 2 misses. It's a very simple feature. Okay. What else? We put here, paste your numbers. You can paste numbers or remove numbers. All right, and this is going to be an awesome feature. You're going to be able to set 1, 2, 3, 4 filters. So whatever filter you choose, you can click set and assign it to number 1, and then change the filters and then set it to number 2, set it to number 3. This is going to be an email feature. What it does is going to take your filters that you set, right, established, and it's going to email you the numbers before each draw. So you'll be able to so you don't have to come here all the time and go through this and try and get numbers. You just assign assign filters to these numbers, and the program will email you those numbers, okay, before each draw. All right, and then if you come here and you click on 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, it will show you the filters that you had selected that it's set. So if you have a certain amount of filters that you set here, and you click number 1, it will automatically show you those filters. Okay, and that is pretty much it. All right, we should have everything released to you this week. All right, I wish you the best.